Regulatory affairs are very important in the pharmaceutical industry. They make sure that companies follow all the rules when making and selling medicines. RoW markets refer to all the countries except for the United States, Canada, Europe, and Japan. These markets are important because many people live there. OSD is a common type of medicine that you swallow, like a tablet or capsule. Before selling OSD products in RoW markets, companies need to get approval from regulatory agencies. These agencies protect public health by making sure that medicines are safe and effective. Each country has its own regulatory agency, like the FDA in the United States. Regulatory affairs professionals are like the bridge between pharmaceutical companies and regulatory agencies. They help companies understand and follow all the rules, from developing the medicine to submitting applications and getting approvals. They also make sure that companies are keeping up to date with any changes in regulations. This is a complex and challenging field, especially in RoW markets. The RoW markets present unique challenges due to the wide variety of regulatory requirements. Unlike the more harmonized regulations in the US or EU, each RoW country often has its own distinct set of rules and guidelines. For instance, the requirements for stability testing of OSD products can differ significantly. Some countries might require testing at higher temperatures and humidity levels than others, reflecting their specific climatic conditions. The level of stringency also varies considerably. Some countries have well-established regulatory systems comparable to those in developed markets. Others have evolving systems that might not be as comprehensive or as clearly defined. This lack of harmonization can make navigating RoW markets a daunting task, particularly for smaller companies with limited resources. Given the complexities of RoW markets, pharmaceutical companies need to adopt effective strategies to ensure successful product launches. One crucial strategy is to establish strong local partnerships. Collaborating with local distributors or regulatory consultants who possess in-depth knowledge of the specific country's requirements can be invaluable. Another key strategy is thorough research and planning. Companies need to understand the specific regulatory pathway for their product in each target country. This includes identifying the required documentation, understanding the review process, and anticipating potential delays. Engaging with local regulatory authorities early on can also help clarify any ambiguities and expedite the approval process. In conclusion, navigating regulatory affairs in RoW markets for OSD products requires a proactive and strategic approach. Companies need to be adaptable, resourceful, and committed to compliance. Staying informed about the latest regulatory changes and maintaining ongoing communication with local partners are essential. By prioritizing compliance and risk management, pharmaceutical companies can successfully bring their OSD products to RoW markets. This not only ensures business success but also contributes to improving global health equity by making essential medicines accessible to those who need them most.